Now the key to contour is to blend up. And when you get around here, you blend in an angle, like diagonal. Like, give me a T, a broken T, a slanted T. Give me a up, down. Look at the color. This is the color. Look at my lip. This is the color from Well Baby Beauty. Look at the lip. It is true to pigment, true to color. Okay. Now I will be using this Milani, what is it? Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation plus concealer. I really like this. So this is the color 14. It is called Golden Toffee. So sometimes I take it like this and just put it down. Oh, that is a lot. The absolute most important key to makeup is to blend. You have to blend. You have to blend. You have to blend in order to get great results. So if it takes you 10 minutes to blend, then it takes you 10 minutes. So me, it took 8 minutes to blend. But let me show you the end results for blending for 8 minutes, okay? Let me just show you. Look at this. So, I'm gonna be using this is my NYX HD Studio concealer. So, you wanna do the concealer, you wanna start right there with the nose, right? And you wanna come, boom. Now this is gonna be your line. See that? That's how you want to do it. Corvette, hop in the mouth, jet like that. They be like, dude, why you walk like that? Why you talk like that? Why you walk like that? So this concealer is lighter. You want to do something that's 2-3 shades brighter than you, okay, baby? Okay. I was at the UF game last night, right? It was UL versus LSU. Why Marco Wilson? Why would you throw a shoe? Why would you throw a shoe? We could have made overtime and we could have won. But you threw a shoe. Let me say this again. You threw a shoe. Why would you take your shoe off of your feet and throw it at someone? You're crazy. Mind you, the game before that, what it was, who they played. I can't remember who they played. Not the game before that. I think it was 2 or 3 games before last night's game. He decided to get very rowdy, you know. And he was the reason why they lost that game too. We could have really been 10-0. 10-0. 10-0. Did you know that? Oh. School's doing great. I mean, it's perfectly okay. Nothing positive, nothing negative to say. I'm just saying this for the ones who ask. Thanks for asking. I love you. Anyways, let's get into the contour. So I'm over here sucking in those cheeks. And I'm not going to go all the way down to my lip because I just don't like that look. It doesn't seem too natural because your natural contour is not like that. Then you want to just go over your forehead with your dots, with your contour stick. What I'm going to use is, I'm going to use this brush. So when you do your contour, you're going to blend up, okay? Not down. You're going to blend up. All the new Bayk'ds out there. When you contour the face, you are chiseling, and calizzling the face. This means you are slimming down the face and bringing warmth to the face. So you want to use 2 to 3 shades darker than you are. You can use concealer or you can use a contour foundation stick like I'm using here. This is key. Blend. Now, key to contour is to blend up. And when you get around here, you blend in an angle, like diagonal. Like, give me a T, a broken T, a slanted T. Give me a up, down. That's just basically how it goes. Get a small detailed brush and start blending the edges of the concealer into the contour. Now, I'm doing this first because I did use a cream / foundation stick, contour stick, whatever you want to call it really. And that is so harsh, unlike powder. So I blended my contour out first and now I'm blending my concealer out. Once I blend out the edges, I'm going to take a damp, let me say it with you, damp. That means you want to wet it, squeeze it out. Yes, beauty blender. And now I'm going to blend out the rest of all the concealer. Now, like I said, blending is key to makeup. So you just want to go ahead and blend. If it takes you 45 minutes, no, it shouldn't take you 45 minutes. But if it takes you, a little over 5 minutes, that is okay because blending is necessary for flawless makeup. There you go, Bayk'ds. Can you say a gem or what? Setting your face is also necessary. Anytime you use a liquid, you want to use a powder to set. This is so your makeup don't move and transfer throughout the day. So right now, as you see me doing, I'm just taking a little small feather powder brush and I'm putting the setting powder. You know what I'm trying to say? I'm putting the setting powder and I'm tapping it into the skin. I'm not just sitting it on the skin. I'm actually tapping it into my skin. Okay? That's what you want to do. Just because I rock with the Bayk'ds, let me pop another gem into there. So to get a very snatched look, you gonna cut the contour. You know how you cut the crease? We gonna cut the contour. So go ahead and suck in those lips one more again. And then you just gonna follow the shape of the contour with the setting powder. And you're gonna let that sit for just a little. So you wanna bake your cheeks, kinda. For the powder that did not absorb into the skin, you just want to go ahead and take a big powder brush and dust it all off. I'm just gonna go in with a brown color. Just a brown powder. It could be an eyeshadow, it could be actual powder. You wanna just go in and set it. As I said earlier, you want to set any type of liquid or cream with a powder. Now, I don't have any bronzer, anything like that, so I will be using eyeshadow from the James Child palette, a brown. Let me go ahead and drop a gem for you. Makeup equals finesse. There you go. I will be going in with the Bayk'd Beauty Bake and Slay eyeshadow palette. So if you want to purchase one, I'm gonna put the website, the link, all that in the description. It is my brand. I do have my own brand called Bayk'd Beauty, as you can see. And this how it looks when you open it. Oops, I'm like getting my makeup all over it. So it does have the names and this is a plastic wrap on this mirror. You have to take it off, but yes, so beautiful. So I have my own that's already used that I use so much. So yeah, I'm gonna be using that. And mine look all types of messed up, but that's okay because yeah. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some blush to my face, right? So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna use this color. This is top notch, I believe. So I'm gonna put it right above your contour zone. A gem for all the dark skins. Only use a rose color for blush. Only rose. Any other color, I mean, you can use orange as well, but rose will give you the best outcome. And now we also have lip gloss. We have a clear, but my clear is in my purse. So this is Lovely Peach. It's very cute. Look at that. Ooh, trust. So yes, this is from Bayk'd Beauty. Go shop. I'm telling y'all, my brand ain't nothing to play with, baby. Then this is the color It's Sheer. So look at them, look at them, look at them, look at the color. Please stop playing with me. This color. Now when I do my lips, I like to blend. And this gonna have too much excess of lip gloss on it. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and add some on my, I call this my lip gloss brush. I use this brush only for my lips. Y'all already seen that color? Please stop playing with me. My brand ain't nothing to be played with. When I say quality, we do quality makeup, okay? I say we do. Well, we do that too, but we own and produce quality makeup. Please don't sleep on us. The Bayk'd Queen has been dropping nothing but gems throughout this entire video. Therefore, I'm gonna need you guys to leave me a nice little like, a little thumbs up. I also want you to leave a comment telling me what was your favorite part about this video. And of course, subscribe. Yes, I need you guys to subscribe. Yes, so we can grow together, more people can see us. Also, leave one more comment with your Instagram down below because I will be following you guys. I want to interact with you guys. Let's grow together. Let's be a family together, a community together. Okay. Look at the color. This is the color. Look at my lip. This is the color. from Bayk'd Beauty. Look at the lip. It is true to pigment, true to color. It is pigmented makeup for an affordable price, owned by a black girl. Me, I owned it. Why you haven't shopped yet? Telling y'all. Get with the program or get left. From my brand, I do also like to use for highlighter. I like to mix these two or use this one. So great. It's so, when I say the color, stop playing with me. So I'm gonna use this, and I just play around in it. Really, I just keep dabbing. I don't want it to be like really harsh. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Like that. Put it on my nose. This is the finished look. I went ahead and added my details. What you see is my lashes, my eyeliner, and I know you see my stones. And the lash line I'm using is also from my brand, from Bayk'd Beauty. This is the style Winter. So yep, I have lip gloss, I have lashes, lip gloss. This is the color Lovely Peach. The color I use that's on my lips today it's sheer. I also have a clear, which is called Crystal, and I also have an eyeshadow palette. In my eyeshadow palette, I usually use it for my inner ducts, my highlight, and my blush. So yes, you could go ahead and you can purchase at wellbakedbeauty.com. We're getting it, baby. So yep, and yes, this is the look. So I'll see you guys in the next video.